And once you do, you should be sent to the link that we have pasted into the file. So it's that easy. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a hyperlink to a PDF file using Canva. Now, to be able to add a hyperlink to a PDF file using Canva is particularly easy because Canva has a PDF editor feature. Just like whatever you upload into it, whatever PDF you upload into it, it can be automatically edited. I mean, you can edit it manually right away, so there's not much waiting. For example, I'm gonna go here to upload, to add the media or the PDF that I want to upload, and just choose one of these files over here. For example, I'm gonna choose this multilingualism PDF, and now it's uploading or importing the file, and now I just have to wait. And I want to add a hyperlink to it. For example, this one, Otonoke. This is a song by Creepy Nuts from a new anime called Dan Dan. So if you like that, you check it out. But before we get into the hyperlink adding part of the video, if you want to check out a lot of features on Canva that you might not be able to use, like for example, this PDF editing feature might be pro, or there might be features in this editing process that might need you to have Canva Pro. So that's why you should check out the Canva Pro link in the descriptions to get a free trial for 30 days and check out what it has to offer. And then maybe, just maybe, you might consider, subscribing to it one day because of how good it is. And here we have it. We have our file here, and as you can see, we can edit this easily. Now let's say we want to add a link to this one. Like for example, the part 1 theories and methods. All you just need to do is to click on the text here and click on link. Now we just need to paste the link that we just copied here from this video and then click on done. Now that is a link. So when we go to share, download, and save this file as a PDF standard, we should be able to use this as a working link or a hyperlink, whatever you would like to call it. So now we have a newer version of the file downloaded, and once we're here, as you can see, now this is a hyperlink. We can now click this one, and once you do, you should be sent to the link that we have pasted into the file. So it's that easy. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. That is how you can add a hyperlink to a PDF file using Canva. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.